Okay, in this video, we'll be looking at exactly what you should have on your landing page. Okay, now if you are running an e-commerce business and you still don't build a list, okay, if you're not building a list, trust me, you're still going to be like most persons who every now and then are having issues, having a continuous inflow of customers, especially, maybe you've run out of advertising money, okay, your account was temporarily shut down. Maybe you didn't pay attention to one of the things I shared, and your account was locked out, and before you can gain access to it, you have to wait for some time. Right? All those time that you're wasting, these are times that you ought to be making money, but then you wouldn't because there is no one to send offers to, right? Like I said, what you always want to be doing is selling offers and not products. Okay, and how do you wrap your offers? Of course, around your big marketing idea. All right, your big marketing idea. We say the big marketing idea is the underlying message of is the foundation of every message you're putting out. Is the foundation of your offer. So it's what informs your offer. Before you build an offer, you have a big marketing idea. Hope you get it. Right, before you write your ad copy, you have a big marketing idea. Before you write your sales letter, before you write your headline, you have a big marketing idea. All right, so your landing page should be a squeeze page. Okay, by a squeeze page, I mean you're going to have a form where people can fill. Okay, a form. And of course, a headline. Sometimes you can just decide to say you want to add maybe a representation, an image. I'm going to show you guys an example, like life examples, right? But I just need you guys to be clear with this. Your landing page is not going to be a pre-sale. We are going to have one, long article here, right? It's going to be a squeeze page, and this squeeze page can lead to your offer page. And in your offer page, you can have you can even start with a pre-sale that leads to your main, where you now start selling. You pre-frame first before you now start selling. You can design your offer page that way. But the landing page has to be a squeeze page. It shouldn't be your pre-sale, shouldn't be your offer page. For some persons who are wondering what is a landing page, a landing page is the first page that people land on when they are coming from any traffic source, be it paid or free. So we can say here is Facebook, you're advertising on Facebook. When someone clicks on your link on Facebook, they come to a landing page, and that landing page has to be a squeeze page. A squeeze page is a page with an opt-in form. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a few squeeze pages. Okay, so this one right here is for diabetes products, right? And the headline, one other thing I didn't explain now is this headline should be it should express your big idea. You're not here to make claims, you're not here to make any kind of weird promises, right? It should just reflect your big idea. So if you look at these ones here, you can see free report how to eat your way to a life free of diabetes. What's the primary promise here? A life free of diabetes. Okay, I'm not saying you should come and and your what's it called, your reading will go from 320 to 120 in 3 days, in 5 days, in 10 days, in 30. No, I'm not doing that, but I'm telling you, see, you are going to live a life free of diabetes. It's a big promise already, right? And how is that going to happen? is going to happen by the time you discover this diabetes mistake that even good doctors are making. So this is the unique mechanism, the diabetes mistake, right? Something that diabetes mistake that even good doctors don't know. Is it intellectually interesting? Of course. Then, like, okay, what's that diabetes? I believe I shared with you some of the examples. That is where I actually swiped this from, right? So they are like, okay, what's that diabetes mistake that even good doctors are making, or am I even making it as well, right? So this gives you an idea, right? You want to learn about it, you want to find out that diabetes mistake that even good doctors, and be sure that your doctor is not making it. And with that, they are going to be curious and fill in their name and email to go to the next step. For you guys, I would say, oh, why not have a WhatsApp field as well? For this client, the person said, oh, he wasn't too big on WhatsApp, so he didn't add that to it. So, but for those of you who you know that you can do WhatsApp marketing as well, you should have a WhatsApp field to collect their WhatsApp numbers. And of course, you're going to find, and you're going to get to a lot of people who are going to go in, as long as your headline here is expressing your big idea. The big idea has to be strong enough to excite the customer, to excite this person to want to go further, right? That's the whole idea. It has to be strong enough to excite the person to want to discover what is the thing that can make a difference in my life, right? Now, here is another one. This for a butt enlargement product is quite straightforward, right? We say how to get a huge backside. The primary promise here is a huge backside fast. Get a huge backside fast, right? We're not saying get a huge backside in 50 days, in 10 days, no. Like, we don't want to make claims, right? And how is this happening? It's happening with, a root extract from Thailand, right? A root, in fact, I would have said a secret root extract from Thailand. That would have just solidified it, right? So that is how this result is happening. To get this huge backside fast, you need this root extract from Thailand, right? Is it intellectually interesting? Sure. What is this root extract from Thailand? I really want to know this. Is it possible that it can really make my butt huge fast, right? We are not saying it's going to enlarge the butt in 10 days, right? Or in 20 days. We're telling them it's going to, like, you're going to get a huge backside fast if you use this root extract. Hope you guys get the idea. So they type in their details and on here, and they move on to the next step. All right, here is another one here. This is for back pain, and we're like, free report reveals 7 facts about back pain that even doctors don't know about, and how over 2,000 Nigerians have eliminated back pain using a smart, intelligent device, right? So what's the big idea here? For them to, eliminate back pain. They want them to eliminate back pain. And this also adds an element of proof that, over 2,000 persons have used it. And what is the unique mechanism here? How is this back pain taken care of, right? Is this smart, intelligent device, all right? In fact, we can even leave out this smart, intelligent device and just say reveal 7 facts about back pain that even good doctors don't know about, and how over 2,000 Nigerians have eliminated back pain, right? This will, even if we even leave out this smart, intelligent device, right? People will still be curious to, like, okay, what's this fact about back pain that even some doctors don't know about? I really want to know what these 7 facts are about. And with this, it just like people want to, like, what is this smart, intelligent device? Is it really smart, right? Is it really smart? Is it something that works on its own? It does not need human effort to really work. What makes it that smart, right? So it is intellectually interesting, of course, with the unique mechanism. Here is another one right here. Free report, the fountain of youth. 90% of women saw a dramatic reduction in wrinkles with this doctor's anti-aging secret formula. Now, I swipe these as well for these clients with what I showed you guys earlier about the whole fountain of youth discovered swipe, right? But you can see, if you look at these, I'm just like modeling. I'm not copying. What you don't want to do is copy a big idea, because if you copy it, it might be out of season, because of course there are, like we said before, there are seasons of big ideas. Okay, a big idea cannot last forever. All right, as the market matures, the big idea will have to change. Hope you guys get it. So here was the primary promise. Here we're talking about a dramatic reduction in wrinkles. That is the primary promise here. What was the unique mechanism? The doctor's anti-aging secret formula. That is what is making this dramatic reduction in wrinkles possible, right? Is it intellectually interesting? Sure. What is this doctor's anti-aging secret formula? Is it true that they can guarantee the fountain? Is this what the fountain of youth is about? Is this what can really guarantee the fountain of youth? Hope you guys get it. So that is what you want to have on your landing pages. Don't go ahead be making bogus claims on your landing pages. Just express your big idea. The headline here should be what expresses your big idea. I hope you guys get it. If you of course, if you have questions, always ask them, and we will see how to resolve that for you. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.